Because if we talk to them, the plants will grow happily. So I will just wake up in the morning and give water for the plants. When we talk to the plants, it will grow beautifully. I'm also having an orange tree. I'm going to pour some water. Huh? I found a bird nest. Wow! It is so cute. It has built so nice. I'll just take a bowl. It is an old nest, but the bird has flew away. That's why I'm taking this nest in my hand. Otherwise, I will not take it. Otherwise, the mommy bird will pick on my head. See, the orange is here. See, this is the orange flower. From this only, the small oranges will come. But it also has thorns. See, like this, the small baby oranges will come and grow bigger like this and just grow in the normal orange. See, look at my red tomato plant. There are more than 10 tomatoes and one had been ripe. See, red in color. Wow, see pebbles over there. I'll take some of these. Wow, some more pebbles are here. I'll take it. I have an idea. With these pebbles, I will paint it like a chick and put it in the nest. It will be the real chick hatching. So let's get started. These pebbles are dirty, so I will wash it. See, like this. See how beautiful it is, yeah? Can you hear that sound? The pebbles are so nice and clean. Now let's pour the water. But I will pour to my guava plant. See my chili plant. Lots of chili have grown. So I'm having some pebbles, coloring paint and the nest. I have an idea. This will be the mother hen and this will be the baby chicks.
Quack.